In this example, we've got a commencement date, but for some reason, some of these are valid dates. So if you look here, we highlight those. If we went to date, you'll see it seems to be acting like a date. But if you came here, these are dates. But when I try and change them, they don't seem to be acting as dates. So we need to create a column that extracts this and turns this into dates. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to have to do different things for situations where it's text or where it's already a date. If it's already a date, we can just take that information. If it's not a date, we need to do some work on it. So what we're going to do is I'm first going to test whether this is a date. And remember, a date is actually just a number. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to write a test, and we've got a function in Excel called isNumber. And I'm going to say, please look at that cell and tell me if it's a number. Copy and paste it so I can see the trues and falses. Then what we need to do is if it's false, if it's not a number, we need to now break it apart. So again, I'm just going to give some heading here. And what you'll see is I can see, looks like it's on the left hand side, there's the days. So I'm going to say left, click here, 2 characters. The month seems to be in the middle. Use the mid function. Text, it must start at 1, 2, 3, 4 and go for 2 characters. And the year seems to be on the right hand side. So we're going to use the right function for 4 characters. If I copy and paste this down, you'll see that where they're the trues, it seems to be giving nonsensical numbers, but we're not worried about that now. I'm going to convert this into a date using the date function. So that's the year, that's the month, that's the day. Copy it, paste it. Again, nonsensical numbers there. But now we can make sure and pull through the correct date. And to do this, we're going to use an if function. So I'm going to say if function is that cell over there equal to false. If it is, use that date. If it's not, use that date. When we say OK, I can copy it, paste it. And I'll just change the formatting to be a valid date. And there we go.